the framework that we have sort of iterated upon over these years, more than 3 years now that we have been running our email marketing campaigns. So first, what we do is we pick a theme. By theme, I mean financial literacy can be a theme. Startups becoming unicorns can be a theme. Building an enduring business that outlaws their founders can be one theme, and so on. So since we operate in the user engagement and retention marketing space, all of these themes kind of make sense to us. And then once we pick a theme, okay, that this theme works well for us, we then sort of connect our resources, which is the second step that we do. We connect our ebooks, we connect our case studies, webinars, or whatever new resources that we have published in the previous week. We connect it with the theme that we have picked up, and we contextualize our message. While moving forward, I'll share the exact anatomy of the newsletter that we send out, so that you guys can easily understand, and it's just not theory. So that will help you understand better. Now, the third step that we do is we carry forward the theme. We usually send out 2 to 3 resources, that the sweet spot that we have figured out that works the best for us, giving attention to each and every resource that we're promoting in our newsletter every week. And we carry forward the theme. And once we do that, we end our email with a small nugget. Usually the email goes out from my name, and I like to share something personal, what has been happening in my life, what I have been reading, or what's my routine like, what I have been up to these days, and so on. So that's what we call a nugget. And then we finally personify the email. There is an emoji that I got designed for myself, and I attach that emoji at the last of the email, along with my designation at 𝐬𝐿𝐴𝐺𝐻, and hyperlink it to my LinkedIn profile if anyone wants to reach out to me. That's how we end our newsletter. So this is the 5-step process that we follow. We first pick a theme, then we connect our resources to contextualize the opening body of our newsletter. Then we carry forward the theme so that the transitions feel smooth. Then we end our email content with a nugget, and then finally we personify the email by using my emoji. And then obviously one important thing that I have learned over these years while writing newsletter copies is always use conversational tone in your email content. That just really helps build credibility with your audience, and that's just a better way of writing your copies, if nothing more, right? So that's the framework that you can easily replicate for your brand, assuming you have a B2B context. In any case, right, even if you have a B2C context, it will just make your email copies better.